This is the Haoqi Snow Leopard e-bike. It is a true powerhouse on wheels, boasting an array of features that make it a top contender in today's world of electric bikes. At its core, this e-bike is powered by a robust 750 watt hub motor with 90 Newton meters of power, ensuring smooth and consistent acceleration. Whether you're tackling steep hills or cruising along flat roads, you'll feel the torque and power at your fingertips. The backlit LCD display on this device is truly a standout feature that enhances the overall user experience. Its multifunctionality is a key highlight, offering essential information at a glance. First and foremost, the LCD display includes a fuel gauge, which is an absolute lifesaver for those longer journeys. Knowing your battery status with a quick glance allows you to plan your ride with confidence, ensuring you never run out of power unexpectedly. One of the most valuable aspects of this display is its pedal assist indicator. With clear and intuitive visuals, you can easily adjust your pedal assist settings to match your desired level of assistance. It has 5 pedal assist levels, and obviously number 5 being the fastest, up to 28 miles an hour. And it gets adjusted using these buttons right here, plus and minus, which is again obvious, plus being up, minus being down. It is a vital tool for both experienced riders and newcomers, making every journey more enjoyable and informed. One of those newcomers being me. When I received the bike, I just slapped the front tire on, tightened a few bolts, put some air in the tire with an included pump, charged up the battery, and I was off. Whether you're in a hurry to reach your destination or simply want to enjoy the thrill of speed, this e-bike surely will not disappoint. One standout feature of the Haoqi e-bike is its remarkable range. With an 80-mile range on a single charge, you can confidently embark on longer journeys without the worry of running out of battery. This is made possible by the substantial 48-volt, 20-amp-hour battery, which provides ample energy to keep you pedaling for miles on end. This battery takes around 5 hours to charge with the included Haoqi branded 3-amp smart charger. But it's not just about speed and range. The Haoqi e-bike is built for versatility as well. With an impressive payload of 400 pounds, this e-bike can accommodate various sizes of riders together with their equipment that they might take on an adventure. Now I want to talk about safety features of this Haoqi e-bike. With safety being top priority, Haoqi made sure that you have both back and front LED stoplight and headlight. They made sure that you have both back and front hydraulic disc brakes with stopping power even if you are going at that high speed of 28 miles per hour. The Shimano 7-speed cassette allows for seamless gear changes, adapting to different terrains effortlessly. Plus, the detachable battery makes charging convenient whether at home or on the go. If you opt in for another battery, it will cost you another $500 and will have up to 160 miles of travel with both batteries. When it comes to practicality, the Haoqi e-bike has you covered. Literally. It includes a load rack for carrying cargo and a set of mud guards to keep you clean and dry in wet conditions. In summary, the Haoqi e-bike combines power, range, and versatility into a single impressive package. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or running errands, this e-bike offers the performance and features to make your rides enjoyable and efficient. At the recording of this video, the Haoqi Snow Leopard is $350 off. You can get yours at haoqiebike.com for only $1,349.